Want your dovetails to look like this? Got something for you. Developed this new technique almost 7 years ago of using your marking gauge to offset your tailboard from your pin board, referencing the thickness of your saw blade. However, a lot of folks had a problem in trying to balance the marking gauge on the end of the cutter while they were trying to move that over. Well, one of our combat wounded vets that came to our class, named Shawn McDermott, came up with an idea. And we've turned it into a product, so we call it the Shawn Shim. Genius. Made out of a solid piece of brass. It has 4 different offsets, from 23 thousandths of an inch to 26, so you can customize it to your saw, and you can also customize it to your work. If you're cut really hard tails going into a softwood pin, you might want to increase it a little bit just to give it a little better fit. But the nice thing about it is you give it lots of reference surface. You simply lay that on the side, move it over, and there you go. And when you do the opposite one, you flip it over like that. It pushes it over, holds it in place. You've got lots of surface area compared to just the cutter on the end of a marking gauge. Works beautifully, nice heft, extremely well machined, and the markings are on both ends, so there's no chance of mixing it up. The Shawn Shim.